Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Daikin Inverter AC or Daikin normal AC and your AC is not cooling properly and you have recently got your AC serviced, then even after cooling is not happening, and today I will tell you the solution of this problem in this video. So let's start the video. The biggest reason for AC not cooling down is that its outdoor unit is not cleaned properly. You can see its outdoor unit. There is lot of dust in this outdoor unit, due to which AC is not cooling properly. We get our AC cleaned but outdoor unit is not cleaned properly, due to which cooling problem occurs. If you clean the outdoor unit of your AC with a jet pump, then you can be sure that your AC will start working like a brand new AC, and the chilling of your AC will increase and the electricity bill will also be saved. If you are a technician, then clean the outdoor unit carefully. There is a fan motor in the front. Water entering the motor can damage the motor, and if you are a customer, then you should also pay attention. Keep the motor clean from water. Due to the dust in the outdoor unit, there is no proper cooling and the outdoor unit heats up and shuts down, and you do not get cooling and chilling in the room. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.